Hola, buenos dias. So for this video, we're going to be doing a practice test for an upcoming Spanish test in my Spanish 1 class. The topics that we'll be looking at are conjugating AR verbs in the present tense, using adverbs correctly, and while it's not here in the title, a little bit of tener que and hay que for expressing obligation. So if you want to actually take this practice test before I give you the answers, there'll be a link in the description of the video that will take you to it. You can open it up and print it off if you want to and write out the answers, or if you want to just pause the video as I'm going along and just think about what the answers would be, that could be a good idea too. So for this first part, there's a sentence here describing a good student, and there are two adverbs in each sentence. Pick the one that makes most sense. This part right here, you have to do two things. One, you have to put the adverb in the sentence. So like this first sentence here, we have every day. Notice I have it in two places because some adverbs have to be in a certain place in the sentence. So you need to decide where do I want to put that every day, obviously in Spanish. And then you want the verb to look for and conjugate it correctly according to my subject over here. If I go down a little bit, got three sentences, three verbs, just have to conjugate the verb correctly. And then right here I have three questions and answer the question with a sentence. So I'm going to start giving the answers right now. Pause the video if you want to do them first. So, a good student. We have the student good, or the good student, never prepares the homework or prepares the homework every day. I'll go with the prepares the homework every day, todos los días. This one says always or rarely carries his books to class. I will go with always, siempre. Okay, this one, Emily every day looks for the chupacabras, or she looks for the chupacabras every day. It sounds a lot better to me if it's over here. So I'm going to put the everyday over here, which is todos los días. And to look for is buscar, so that's going to be busca for the he, she form. We have I, dance, and always. So I always dance in the class, or I dance always in the class. Hopefully I always dance sounds better to you, so yo siempre. And then bailar is to dance, so the verb from bailar is bailo en la clase. Alright, conjugating the verbs correctly, let's go ahead and write it over here. Ellas hablan. Angelina contesta. El señor mira. The questions? The first one's asking, if you're having trouble with it, what do you have to do in the Spanish class to get a good grade? So there are definitely more than possible answers. Let's just say I have to study. Tengo que estudiar. This one says, how often do you speak in Spanish class? So we'll say, I speak a lot in Spanish class. Hablo mucho en la clase de español. And the last one is asking you, what must one do to get a good grade in literature class? So one must write, hay que escribir, maybe. Obviously I could change out that escribir or that estudiar for a different verb if I have a different activity that I need to do. That's kind of it. That's what I wanted to look at on this practice test. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego.